Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to create your very first route in Laravel. If you are new to Laravel, don't worry. I will walk you through everything step by step, and we also talk about why routes are so important in any web application. Before we create one, let's understand what a route actually is. A route is simply a path that connects a URL to some logic in your application. So the slash is homepage and slash about, it means show the about page. So why we need routes? We need route because they control how user interact with our application. When someone type URL, the route decide what response to send back. They organize your application. Instead of putting everything in one file, Laravel lets you separate logic and connect URL to controllers, views, or direct responses. They make your app predictable and easy to manage. As your project grows, route help keep it clean and structured. So basically, routes are the entry points to your entire application. Let's jump into the code. Let's go to the Laravel project, and here we're going to open a file. Let's just create a file, blade file. And here I want to access the blade tablet, this page. So I'll create a different route for this. Now here we are going to return the page. In the route, I mentioned the page URL, right? If anyone want to access the page, they can actually go through this route, right? So route is the entry point here.